Want to create pocket with perfect deep accuracy? Use type dimension in FreeCAD. Watch this tutorial to save your time. Welcome back to channel Joke Edu. We will learn about pocket with type dimension. In this video, we will start from sketch. You can make a sketch and use this workbench, path design workbench. Click sketch. Choose your plan. Click OK. After that, I will make a rectangle. I will make 150 and 160. Enter. Close. After that, I will pat or extrude the sketch with 35. Click OK. I will make a pocket in this surface. I will make sketch. For the first, I will make a sketch. Click surface. Click sketch. Use rectangle again. I will make a 140 and 40. After that, you can use create external geometry to help make this sketch fully closed. Click external geometry. Click. After that, I will click dimension to make a dimension. Click. I will make the distance is 10 and the distance is same 10. Oh, I'm sorry. The sketch will be 130. And this is the sketch. Green is indicate fully constrained, and we can use that. Click close. After that, the sketch is in here, and we will use to make a pocket with dimension. Click pocket and choose your length. You can use, I will use 15. Click, and this is the tip of the pocket. You can use this option to symmetric to plane, reverse, show direction, reverse, and you can use this option, taper angle. You can make angle in your pocket. I will try to make 10 or 30. Yeah, you can observe the result of taper angle. This is the 30 degree. Click OK. And this is the result. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and you can add some comment to my video. And thank you, amigo. Bye bye.